In this video, we will guide you to locating and replacing the Toyota Highlander power outlet fuse. We'll cover everything you need to know to successfully handle this task with confidence. So let's get started. In the 2001 to 2007 Highlander, the fuses are behind the coin drawer, the one left to the steering wheel or above the hood release lever. You need to pull away the lid to get access to the fuse. So here are the fuses. There are two 15-amp fuses in blue color. The above one is for the cigarette lighter on the console panel, and the below is for the rear accessory power outlet on the center console. There's another fuse under the hood for the 2004 to 2007 models. So here's the fuse that you need to check. The power outlet fuse will be right there with a 20-amp fuse in light green color labeled Power Outlet 2. In the 2008 to 2013 Highlander, the power outlet fuse is located in the engine bay and in the cabin. The interior fuse is below the driver's side dash or next to the emergency brake. There's a tab, and you need to pull down to expose the fuses. So here's the power outlet fuse. There are two 15-amp fuses in blue color. It is labeled as accessory socket number 1 and number 2 for the power socket in the console panel and in the center console. And this is for the power outlet fuse in the engine compartment fuse box. That is a 20-amp fuse in light green color. In the 2014 to 2019 Highlander, the power outlet fuse is beneath the driver's side dashboard. Look for a small white box with the diagram on it and open it to reveal the fuses. So here are the fuses. There are two 15-amp fuses in blue color. Power outlet number 1 is for the 12-volt power socket in the console panel, and power outlet number 2 is for the power socket in the center console. On some models, there are power outlet fuse numbers 3 and 4 in the engine bay. So here they are. There are two 7.5-amp fuses in brown color. In the 2020 to 2024 Highlander, the power outlet fuse is located in the engine compartment and in the cabin. The interior fuse box is under the hood release lever and fuel filler door opener switch. You have to lay the back of your head down on the floor to be able to see it. There's a black cover you need to remove to reveal the fuses. So here's the power outlet fuse in the cab. There is a 15-amp fuse in blue color. And this is for power outlet number 2 in the engine compartment fuse box. The power outlet number 2 is a 15-amp fuse in blue color. There are also two fuses for the USB ports located in the engine bay fuse panel, but they are not adjacent to one another. They are labeled 7.5 amp USB number 1 and 7.5 amp USB number 2. Because we lack info for this, Please check the diagram on your fuse box cover. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.